Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around. Absolutely beautiful day. A little overcast, but it's a really nice day. Not too hot. Just a little breeze blowing around, but nothing to really give us any too much worries with our shooting. But I wanted to get out and test a couple powder burner pistols out. Just play around with them today. And this one we're going to be taking a look at in this in this video is a very, very cool piece of Colt history. This is a getting to be very, very old Colt Woodsman. This is a second revision or second version Colt Woodsman. You can tell that by the mag release right there. The first version and third version would have a heel release, and only the second version had a 1911 style position button there. But this one's pretty cool. So the second revision, first year of production for the second revision was 1948, and this one is, per the serial number on the Colt website, a 1948 vintage Woodsman. So very, very cool. I like collecting first year productions of things when I can, either first year production or my birthday birth year. I did try it with some of these CCI pistol match, and it was shooting accurately, but it was not shooting them consistently. Just didn't seem to have enough oomph to cycle that action well enough. So I went ahead and broke out a box of Federal Auto Match, which is just a little bit more powerful than that, and it seems to be doing a lot better with these. I guess I should probably write down what I shoot in these things, so years later when I go back out and pull them out and start shooting again, I can know what I need to shoot in it. But all right, there we go. 10 rounds. I'll put my ears in before I forget. Always want to make sure you wear your hearing protection. With especially with pistols, they're very feisty and noisy. So, all right, I have a splatter burst there. I'm actually 30 feet, 10 paces away, and so kind of stretching it out. I'm going to shoot one-handed, like I like to do, and we'll see what we can do. Let's go up to 12 o'clock for starters. All right, shooting a little low on me here. So that one didn't cycle either. So I think maybe the old girl needs a good cleaning. Still a little low. Not bad for one-handed shooting. I'm so used to shooting the other ones with the heel release. I was just reaching down for the heel release and but let's load up another 10. We'll do a full probably 2 or 3 mags here. I don't know why that first one wouldn't kick out, but cycled everything else fine. I do like my target pistols. I like my high standards. Milsurp Garage just got himself a couple of high standards, pretty cool stuff. Just did a Duramatic, I think it was. I like watching his videos. So, all right, let's go right to. So let me see here. My sight's a little on the low side, so maybe it. But let's go right to center here. Again, with that first one not fully ejecting. That's weird. And another one. think the old girl needs a good cleaning. So usually when I get home, I'll wipe out the barrel and wipe out the chamber area, but until they start having issues like this, I don't usually mess around with the tearing them down and cleaning them too much. So might just need a little bit of lubricant on the slide too. .22 ammo is very dirty. It wasn't too bad. Seems like as the mag empties out, it seems to start shooting a little bit better. So I don't know. Maybe a little too much spring tension there, along with some dirt. I'll keep it out and give it a little bit of TLC tonight. That's an empty round there. I think we got some people walking down the road. All right, before I bring that sight up a couple of clicks. Okay, let's see what that does. Let's go to 3 o'clock. Ooh. No idea where that went. That's better. Am I going just off to the right of the target there? I'm going to do an experiment and only load 5. See what happens with only 5. All right, so there's 5. Let's see if 5 will cycle just fine. Nope. No idea where it's going. There's one. You know, I pulled that one to the left. But anyway, I think the old girl needs a cleaning, but it's a fun shooting gun anyway. Really, really cool. 1948. So let's see, that would make it almost 80 years old, 77 years old. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We'll go ahead and give her a cleaning and put her away till next year. So I like to get them out at least once a year and give them a little cycle and have a little fun with them. But there you go, a really cool Colt Woodsman. I do have a Colt Woodsman match target, which is also a version 2 with the release button, and that's a pretty cool gun. I've only had that one a year or two, and I have a video on that as well. So hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.